So I think I found the rock I want to use for the next piece. Woo, baby! Hot stuff, let's go! It's got a flat surface on top and this really cool pendant shape. Nice! Holy, heavy. We're pointing the flame away from the rock slightly. So this bend is so sharp, I think I'm just gonna break it off and then weld it. So I broke it off, and now I'll take my MIG welder and I'll just re-tack it right there. I couldn't get the bend, it was just so damn sharp. Getting this super hot. Send it. What I'm doing here is just turning, I have turnbuckles on the chain fall, so I can add tension very, very slightly. Minor adjustments. That looks pretty dead balls perfect. Dead on balls. It's dead on balls accurate. So I think we got it pretty much, well, as level as a rock gets. Take it easy, not too wet. Just seriously, rocks look better wet. I don't know what it is. So 32 feels like a really good height. I think that it's going to be nice and tall, very dramatic, but 32 is still functional as a side table. Okay, now it's time to put some legs on here. Yeah. So with the cradle complete, I finally could pull the rock out. The next step was to weld it all up and then grind it smooth and finish it. And by the way, if you've ever wanted to learn welding to make cool art projects like this, or even to do structural repairs around the house or your barn or homestead, you should check out my one-day welder course. It teaches you how to MIG, TIG, and stick weld right at home for less than $100. We've actually already had over 15,000 students enroll in the program, tons of great reviews. I personally run it myself. It's 50+ lessons. It takes you through everything from machine setup to the fundamentals of welding and metal fabrication. Be sure to check that out. The link will be in the description. Thanks for supporting the channel. That was a lot of grinding. Let's see if I can get this frame back on. looks like it's fitting pretty decent, but it's not quite in. There we go. Nice. Oh my God, it's so heavy. Here we go. Wow, that thing's all there. Oh my gosh, it's nice. This came out great. This looks sharp. I freaking love how this came out. We have a ton of texture here in the metal, and you can see the little divots from when we did that torch work, and when I shined it up, it really pulled out that contrast. I also like this rusted metal that's still in the legs, and I did put a clear coat over the whole entire thing. Overall, I like this piece. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, and of course, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome builds. Thanks for watching this video.